Hey guys, I'm Neha. Welcome back to our channel. Has your Bluetooth just vanished and you have no idea why? No on-off toggle on the taskbar. Bluetooth is missing from settings too. And every time you try to connect a device, it shows an error, couldn't connect. And if you open Device Manager, Bluetooth is not even showing up in the list. If you are facing any of these issues, you are at the right place. This is honestly one of the most searched Bluetooth problems on Windows right now. And so many people are going through the exact same thing. Now there are a few reasons this happens. Your Bluetooth driver may be outdated or corrupted. The Bluetooth support service may have stopped running, or a recent Windows update may have caused a conflict. But here is the good news, in most cases, this is completely fixable. So let us not waste any more time and get straight into the steps. So in the first method, we are going to restart some Bluetooth related services, and this alone fixes the problem for most people. To get started, press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Now type services.msc and hit enter. A new window will open, and here you will see all the services running on your system, including the Bluetooth related ones. Now first, double click on Bluetooth Audio Gateway service. Here look at the startup type. If it is not set to automatic, change it to automatic right now. Now we are going to restart this service. First click stop to stop the service, and then click start to start it again. Once done, click apply and then OK. Now double click on Bluetooth support service. Same thing here. Go to startup type, and if it is not set to automatic, change it to automatic. Then click stop and then click start to restart it. Click apply and hit OK. Now double click on Bluetooth user service. Here you do not need to change the startup type. Just restart the service. Click stop, then click start and then click OK, and that is it. By restarting these three services, Windows will re-establish your Bluetooth connection automatically, and if the issue was caused by any of these services, it is now fixed. Go ahead and check your taskbar now, and you should see your Bluetooth toggle is back as mine. If it worked for you, amazing. But if you are still facing the issue, do not worry. Just move on to the next method. Now in this method, we are going to force restart the Bluetooth service through PowerShell, and honestly, this is the most effective way to fix the missing Bluetooth option. But first, let me show you the current situation. I will click on the taskbar shortcut, and as you can see, there is no Bluetooth option showing up at all. So let us fix this right now. Go to your Windows search bar and type PowerShell. Now here, do not just open it normally, you have to run it as administrator. A pop-up will appear asking for permission. Click yes to allow it. Now here you will need to enter some commands. Do not worry, I have provided both codes in the video description below. Just copy the first code from there and paste it here, then hit enter. Let it run. It will take just a few seconds. Just be patient and let it finish. Once that is done, go back to the description, copy the second code, paste it here, and let me show you. My Bluetooth option is still not showing here. Now hit enter before it even finishes running. Go ahead and check your taskbar shortcut, and look at that, your Bluetooth option is already coming back. Just wait a few more seconds and let the code complete fully. And there it is, Bluetooth is back on the taskbar. This method works for 99% of people who are facing this issue. It is fast, it is clean, and it does exactly what it needs to do. But if for some reason it still did not work for you, no worries at all. Just move on to the next method and we will get it fixed. Now in this method, we are going to fix the Bluetooth adapter directly through Device Manager. But first, let me show you the current situation. I will click on the taskbar shortcut, and as you can see, there is no Bluetooth option here at all. So let us fix this. Right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar, and from the menu that appears, click on Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, look through the list and search for the Bluetooth adapter. Now if you cannot see it listed here, do not panic. Click on your administrator name at the very top, then go to Action in the top menu and click on Scan for hardware changes. Now here is why this works. Sometimes after a Windows update or a sudden restart, Windows simply loses track of your Bluetooth adapter. It does not delete it permanently, it just stops recognizing it. So when we scan for hardware changes, we are telling Windows to look again and rediscover all the hardware on your system. And in most cases, it finds the Bluetooth adapter instantly and brings it right back. And as you can see, my Bluetooth adapter is now showing up in Device Manager. And if you check the taskbar shortcut, Bluetooth is back. Now if your Bluetooth adapter is still not showing up even after scanning, do not worry. Go to View in the top menu, and from there select Show Hidden Devices. After doing this, your Bluetooth adapter will appear in the list. Now if your Bluetooth adapter is showing in Device Manager but Bluetooth is still not working, then we need to reinstall the Bluetooth driver completely. Right click on your Bluetooth adapter and click on uninstall device, then click uninstall to confirm. It will start uninstalling, and once it is done, you will notice that Bluetooth disappears from device manager. But do not panic at all, this is completely normal and part of the process. Now just close this window, go to your start menu, click on restart and restart your PC. When your PC turns back on, Windows will automatically reinstall the Bluetooth driver fresh. This is just the reinstallation process, nothing is permanently deleted. Once your PC restarts, go and check your taskbar icon and your Bluetooth should be back. Let me open device manager too, and as you can see, the problem is fixed and the Bluetooth adapter has been reinstalled successfully. Now if it is still not working after reinstalling, there is one more thing we can try right here. Sometimes the Bluetooth adapter gets accidentally disabled and this can cause Bluetooth to disappear from the taskbar completely. It is rare, but it does happen, so let us fix that too. Go to your Bluetooth adapter in device manager, right click on it and click disable device. Click yes to confirm. As you can see, once disabled, Bluetooth disappears from the taskbar icon bar immediately. Now let us enable it back. Right click on the adapter again and click enable device. Within just a few seconds, it will be enabled again. And look at the taskbar, Bluetooth is back. If after all of these steps, Bluetooth is still not working for you, do not give up, just follow the next method. Now in this method, we are going to reset the network settings. Corrupted network settings can also directly cause your Bluetooth to stop working and disappear completely. Click on the start icon on your taskbar and click on settings. Once settings opens, go to network and internet from the left side menu. Now scroll down a little and click on advanced network settings. Scroll down again and here you will see network reset. Click on it. Now click on reset now and then click yes to confirm. Your PC may shut down automatically, but do not wait for that. Just manually restart your system to make the settings effective. Once your PC restarts, go and check your Bluetooth and it should be back. Now in this last method, we are going to repair corrupted Windows system files using CMD, and this is one of the most powerful fixes you can do on any Windows computer. Sometimes the Bluetooth driver gets corrupted deep inside the system, and because of this, it completely disappears from your taskbar. And if you open device manager, you may even see a yellow warning sign on the Bluetooth adapter. Sometimes it does not show that either, but it still means Bluetooth is facing a serious internal issue. So let us fix it properly. Go to your Windows search bar, type CMD and run it as administrator. Click yes to allow permission. Once CMD opens, type the following command exactly, sfc/scan now, and hit enter. This command will scan every single Windows system file on your computer, and if anything is corrupted, including your Bluetooth driver, it will automatically find it and fix it. Now just let it finish completely. Do not close the window in between. Just be patient and let it do its job. Once it is done, close CMD and restart your PC. And when your system comes back on, your Bluetooth will be back and working perfectly again. And that is it, everyone. I hope this video fixed your Bluetooth problem completely. If it helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful fixes just like this one. I will see you in the next one. Take care.